Hello my friends, this is Chef María Kata for Hogar TV, and today I'm going to give you some tips how to minimize the waste, maximize your budget, the taste and the fun in the kitchen with the family. I always recommend to people when they go out to dinner, when they come home, to try to recreate the recipes, their favorite recipe from restaurants. And it's very easy, like just get the basic ingredients, always get the best for you and your family. Today we're gonna do a salmon, so we got a salmon fillet. I noticed they have vegetables and they were cut in juliennes and strips. I did the same thing. I prepared all the vegetables according to the dish that I want to recreate at home. All the onions, we also have in like slice. You can also like preserve them and keep in many and incorporate in many preparations and recipes. We have also this kind of cut, these are dice, and then we can use in multiple preparations. Substitution of ingredients. There's many fats in the market, saturated oils, olive oils, coconut oils, and also like coconut oil is one of the ingredients that definitely doesn't change the taste of the food and doesn't add any unnecessary calories to your preparation. So coconut oil is very healthy for you and it's very good for you. Try to experiment also with different ingredients. Go to the markets, so the spice market, Chinese markets, Oriental market, and find yourself the basic ingredients. This is some soy sauce, also like sesame seed oil, so different oils that also give different flavor to the food. So play with the food and all the ingredients. Use always like fresh ingredients if possible. I have some minced ginger that is being minced and then frozen. You can always take out whatever you're gonna need, and always like use alternative to put sweeten your food. Like you can use different like brown sugar, different techniques that are natural, not necessarily like processed. And minced garlic, you can always preserve it with olive oil or water. You can freeze it or just like keep it in a jar in the fridge, just ready to use, and it will minimize the waste and maximize the fun in the kitchen. See you next time.